If you can't get out in your garden today, like I only have a few minutes, then I hope this helps get that gardening bug for you that you like to have every day. I know I do. Hi, it's Sharon from Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Welcome back. I'm outside today for just a Garden 10. I only have a few minutes. I've got a lot of other things on my to-do list today, so I thought I'd get outside and just get a few things planted. I've got a Super 100 cherry tomato that I'm going to plant out here. I'm out in Tuscany, and I thought I would plant that out here so we can have some snacking tomatoes out here. And then I have some Lisianthus. I bought some starts, and I wanted to get those in Windsor. I'm way behind on planting Windsor, which is my cut flower garden, and I wanted to get something in there today. And these Lisianthus, there's 3 or 4 of them that are just almost ready to bloom, and so I want to get those in the bed today. So that's what we're going to do. So come along, and we'll check in at the end. General starter fertilizer with a little bit of worm castings mixed in. So it was still fairly moist. Rains we had. Try to put this tomato deeper. I cut some of the stems off down low, and it'll root in. So I really want to get this really well rooted. This is Super Sweet 100, great cherry tomato. And I thought it'd be nice to have it out here in Tuscany so we can snack a little bit when we're out here. We had a volunteer come up 2 years ago. Actually had been coming up for several years. Oh, and then I almost forgot the starter. There we go. This baby down in there. I prefer to put the cage in beforehand rather than try to put it over the tomato. I know it can be easier the other way, but it's just my preference. There we go. Firm it in there. Get some mulch on this. Put it back. I might just put a little stick in there for a little extra support until it gets a little bigger. I always have sticks in my pots sitting around the garden because that's what I do. I use them, grab them when I need them, and take them out when we're done. Put you in this. I'm going to put the sharper end in. There we go. There we go. I'll keep it centered. I think that looks good. Just water it in here. There we go. Good drink. All right. Other thing I have to plant this morning, I'm going to do a little planting in Windsor. I am way behind on planting Windsor. We had all sorts of challenges. I have some Echo Blue Lisianthus, and this is a 6-pack, but lucky me when I'm looking at it, I have another one here, and this has 2, and this has 2. So we've got actually 9 that we get to plant here, and these right here are just about ready to flower. So I'm going to get some of these in today. I'm still deciding exactly what pattern I want to have here. And so we already put the fertilizer in here. I'm just going to work it in. It's not as easy access for me reaching in, so I'm just going to use the trowel here. Let's get this good tall out of here. Oh yeah, look at those roots. This is nice. There. We've not yet turned our water lines on. We're still watering by hand. And so, here. We are going to probably be turning them on next month. A few weeks actually. Tomorrow is May. That's usually when we... 6 inches apart is good, 4 to 6 inches. And I'm just going to kind of go in this corner here and get some of these in so that they can flower. Cheer it up out here. We seem to have a purple theme going, which is just fine with me. I'm trying to pull the singles because I still have to separate the doubles, so. Looks good. I'll go ahead and put the tag in there for now. And I'll come back probably tomorrow or the next day and get these mulched. I want to get more planting in Windsor before I get the mulch down. But here we go. That is a Garden 10 this morning. It sure didn't take much time. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that little Garden 10. We got the Lisianthus planted here, and I'll get that mulched in a couple days, and then we got the Sweet 100 tomato in, and I'm really happy for that because it's already got some little tomatoes on it, and it will not take long for that to just go crazy and give us lots of sweet, juicy cherry tomatoes. And I know about you, but when I'm out in the garden and I'm working, it's really nice to be able to snack on some of the things we have in the garden. So I hope you enjoyed it today. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you'll consider doing that. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Bye, guys.